what do a recruiter actually look for in a group discussion process? It is an important part of the whole screening process for them. So there are 5 things which a recruiter potentially looks at when they are conducting the GD. The first one is the content. What's the quality? What's the depth of the content that you are bringing on the table when you're actually conducting or when you're actually a part of this GD? The second one is your communication skills. How are you articulating your thought process? How are you actually keeping your point of view on the table when you are actually in the process communicating with your fellow teammate? The third one is the team play. Are you the one who is actually hogging all the limelight, or are you the one who's actually working with the team and ensuring that you all are together in this process? The fourth one is the leadership skills. How are you coming across as a leader in this whole process? What is your contribution? How are you ensuring that this is an inclusive GD? How are you ensuring that everybody's potential, everybody is given an opportunity to present their viewpoint in this whole process? And finally, how are you taking the initiative in this process? Are you the one who's bringing in new dimensions in the discussion? Are you the one who's ensuring that everybody is a part of the whole process? Are you the one who's giving others an opportunity to speak and contribute their viewpoint? These are the 5 things which a company would look at.